Hey everybody, this is Nick with CFMoto USA Parts operated by Curren RV. Today we're going to show you how to install the U600 plow mount. The tools you need to complete this job are a socket wrench with a 16mm, a 14mm, and a number 5 Allen key. Using your number 5 Allen key, you're going to loosen these two skid plate bolts. Please note you do not need to completely remove the bolts. Using your 16mm, you're going to completely remove the front two bolts. Please note you're going to want to save these for reinstallation later if you ever remove the plow mount. When reinstalling the plow mount bracket to the machine, carefully check fitment of the bolts that are provided on the machine. Some bolts came with an incorrect thread pitch and therefore are not able to be used. If you do have an incorrect thread pitch, you reuse your old bolts from the machine and contact us for a replacement. CFMoto is working on that right now. Next, you're going to slide the plow mount bracket and put your number 14 bolts. Once all 4 bolts are loosely tightened via hand, ratchet them down or use your Allen key. And there you have it. That's the installation for the U600 plow mount. Thank you for watching the video, and check out CFMotoUSAParts.com for all your CFMoto parts and accessory needs.